Starting a container vegetable garden is like embarking on a fun and rewarding adventure right in your own backyard, patio or balcony. It's a fantastic way to connect with nature, grow your own fresh produce, and enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing plants to fruition. Here are 10 friendly and comprehensive tips to help you get started and make the most of your gardening journey. 1. Choose your awesome containers. First things first, let's talk containers. Think of these as cozy homes for your veggies. Select containers that are not only spacious, but also have drainage holes to ensure your plant buddies don't get soggy feet. Consider the size of the mature plants you want to grow, giving them enough room to thrive. 2. Mix it up with the right soil. Your veggies deserve the best, so treat them to some high-quality potting mix. It's like serving them a gourmet meal. Look for a mix that's well-draining and rich in organic matter. Garden soil is a no-go, as it might not provide the right nutrients and drainage. 3. Find the perfect spot. Just like us, veggies love a good dose of sunshine. Place your containers in a location that gets at least 8 hours of sunlight daily. Think of it as their sunny vacation spot, where they soak up the rays and grow happily. 4. Choose veggies that fit the bill. When selecting your veggie team, think container friendly. Some great options include tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, herbs like basil and parsley, and smaller varieties of carrots and cucumbers. These little garden buddies thrive in containers. 5. Show them the water love. Give your plant pals some love by keeping them well hydrated. Check the moisture level by sticking your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. But remember, moderation is key. Too much water can lead to root rot. 6. Feed them some yummy food. Veggies in containers are like growing teenagers. They need plenty of nutrients. Offer them a balanced, slow-release fertilizer, or enrich the soil with organic compost to keep them happily fed throughout the growing season. 7. Give them room to breathe. Avoid creating a veggie traffic jam by spacing your plants appropriately. Good spacing allows for proper air circulation, reducing the risk of disease and encouraging healthy growth. 8. Tidy up with pruning and support. Some veggies, such as tomatoes and peppers, appreciate a little extra support. Use stakes or trellises to keep them standing tall and proud. Pruning can help manage their size and encourage bushier growth. 9. Ward off unwanted guests. Keep a vigilant eye on your garden for unwelcome pests and diseases. If they decide to crash the party, explore natural remedies or opt for organic pesticides to maintain a harmonious garden environment. 10. Celebrate the harvest. When your veggies reach their peak ripeness, it's time to celebrate your gardening success. Harvesting not only brings tasty rewards to your table, but also encourages further production. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening, everyone!